Now this is 30 years male patient, and we are doing revision of this ileum. Till now, what I had seen the ileum, according to that picture, I am giving the grade according to my criteria, that this type of ileum, when you see very clearly thickened, and you see here, it is very much quite enlarged. This type of ileum, when you see, uh, according to my according to my observation, this is quite significantly thickened ileum. This is not mild or moderate, it is significantly thickened ileum when you see this kind of ileum. Second thing is that this segment is very long. Patient is having complaint of anorexia since 6 months. No complaint of fever, vomiting or diarrhea since 6 months. Let us see the vascularity. These are the artifacts and not the vascularity. Vascularity is not so clearly seen, but this segment of ileum is very much thickened, and it is a long segment. Patient is having occasionally mucus in stool, complaint of mucus in stool, and here this appendix, which is seen enlarged, was measuring up to 6.4 mm, and the lumen is fluid filled. No any complaint of tenderness over the right iliac fossa. This kind of appendix we generally see when the ileum is thickened, and in majority of the cases it is not considered as appendicitis, because it is secondary to this gastrointestinal infection. The lumen becomes enlarged and fluid filled. No any probe tenderness over here. It is just secondary to this pathological ileum, because it is located very close to this ileum. Although it is large and it comes under the criteria, but if we treat this ileum, then this appendix also becomes normal. I had seen this kind of case till now 4 to 5 cases, in which I had given this acute appendicitis or subacute appendicitis, but patient became apparently normal, absolutely normal, when he was treated for the typhoid. You see this lumen, this diameter of this appendix, it is 6.5. So 6.5 is significant to give the diagnosis of appendicitis. Very clearly seen appendix and enlarged. Once again we will measure the diameter. .6 around. અહીંયા તમને ક્યારે દુખાવો થાય ક્યારે જોરથી?
No.
ક્યારેય નથી. No any episode of right iliac fossa pain.